Imperatae Cane Drink. Benefits of Imperatae Cane Drink. Great for soothing dryness, quenching thirst, expelling dampness. Our first ingredients to this drink is sugarcane. Sugarcane is rich in antioxidants, so it helps fight infections and boost the immunity. It's rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, and other electrolytes, so it's great for dehydration. Our second ingredient is water chestnut. Water chestnut are very nutritious and contain high amount of fiber, potassium, manganese, copper, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. This is Imperata cylindrica. Imperata cylindrica is naturally antibacterial and has astringent properties. In traditional Chinese medicine precepts, it has a cold property and works on the lung, stomach, and urinary bladder channels. Carrots. Carrots are particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. We also need rock sugar to make this drink. First, we need to wash everything we need. Now it's time for chopping. Peel the water chestnut and cut into half. Peel the carrots and cut into pieces. Now let's put all in the big pot with 5 liters of water. Then bring to boil. When it started to boil, lower the heat to medium and boil for 40 minutes. Put the rock sugar 5 minutes before the cooking ends. Take a note, we only need the water. Strain all the residue and transfer water to a jar. Store it in the fridge and consume anytime.